Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this Youpet robot. It's got HD night vision, laser teasing app control, two-way audio, and you can feed your pet through this thing too. It's pretty sweet. So if you go away, if you're away from home, you can use this to interact with your pet. Look at this, it's like this little robot thing. Take this off here real quick. Ha! Check that out. Is that cool or what? So we got these rubberized wheels here on the bottom. Got this little ball here. It looks like it dispenses the pet food from here. Yeah, we can fill that up and it's going to drop it off. It spins. It's got a plug-in port here to charge it up and a little power battery there. I'm gonna have fun. I think the cats are gonna like this thing, especially Boogie. He really likes his food. So we're gonna go ahead and charge this up, install the app and all that, show you guys how it works. It should be a lot of fun. All right, we'll see you soon. Okay, here we are. Let's go find a cat. Boogie. Put out the laser. Huh? I'll put out the laser here. He's like, what's the laser? Laser, buddy? He jumped. Oh, buddy. Turn it off. And turn it on. What is it, Boogie? See if I can talk to him. Boogie, Boogie, hey buddy. Boogie, hey buddy. Boogie, hi buddy. I'll give him some food. You've been a good boy. Here you go, buddy. There you go, Boogie. There you go, buddy. Boogie, it's okay. It's your food. It's okay. It's okay, Boogie. Yeah, it's food. He doesn't know what to think yet. Yeah. Boogie, there's a laser, buddy. Turn the laser on, see if he likes that. I'll go back off. Oops. There you go, buddy. There's your food, buddy. Boogie, come on. Come on, buddy. I'm really surprised at how well this camera looks. It's like really good quality here. Shows the connection speed up at the top, the battery. all the different stuff here. I think he's just a little shy, right? He just doesn't know what to think about it. Once they get more familiar with it, I think they'll like it, but pretty cool here. Oh well, this thing actually has a really decent night vision. I put it in the garage right now. Lights, it's completely black in here. I can't even see. And yet, the robot sees all. I can still drive around in my garage and look at everything. So in pitch black out here. Turn on the light a little bit. There we go. That's pretty. The camera quality on this thing is excellent. And even the microphone and everything, the steering is decent. Just really impressed with this little robot. Well, friends, I am like pretty impressed with this. The camera on here is exceptional. To put the food in there, you just put the food in the little treats in there, and it dispenses it. So it can do about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 15 snacks or treats. Has neodyme magnets on there. They're going to keep the lid on nicely. It's got decent power. Like the door was like closed, and I was able to just push in it, push it open. The on-off button here, you can just turn it off. Once you have the setup on the app, which was super easy to set up, you just basically push the button and it connects to your network, and it can stay on for quite a long time, and then ready to whenever you're going to pull up your app on your phone and be able to control it. The laser's kind of cool. Just kind of shines on the ground there, and then you can move it around by moving the robot back and forth, which is pretty sweet. But the camera is what I'm really impressed with. The camera quality is exceptional. Even the two-way communication and being able to hear and everything on it is actually really nice. So overall, just really impressed with it. Connects right away, and if not like a handy way to be able to just kind of interact with your pets when you're away. So pretty sweet. I'm really impressed with the camera and how the controls and everything are. Usually kind of have to stop and turn, so you can't like just cruise around like an RC car or whatever, but it's probably better that way, so you don't like run into your pets or anything. So yeah, really neat device here. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.